Juglans nigra, black walnut. This is a tree reaching 50 to 75 feet tall, usually with an upright, spreading, or oval rounded crown. Often, these develop a well-formed trunk that is branchless for up to half or even two-thirds of the height of the tree. Foliage is deciduous, alternate, and leaves are pinnately compound. The overall leaf is anywhere from 12 to 24 inches long and will contain 15 to 23 leaflets, although as few as 11. Sometimes the terminal leaflet is often missing. Individual leaflets may be 2 to 5 inches long and 3/4 to 2 inches wide. The margins may be irregularly serrate. The petiole and rachis may be minutely downy. When leaves first emerge, they are usually minutely pubescent above and becoming glabrous or smooth or lustrous and dark green. Juglans nigra is usually golden yellow in the fall. Leaves are fragrant when crushed and have a characteristic smell. Ornamental features of Juglans nigra include the dark brown, gray, and narrow furrowed bark, often forming a diamond-shaped pattern. These produce a rounded nut with smooth husks that drop in the fall. The husk is usually green and will decay, revealing the nuts that are 1.5 to 2 inches in size and have a thick, grainy surface. Cultural information for Juglans nigra. These are hardy from zones 4 to 9, typically do best in full sun, and will tolerate a soil pH from 5 to 8 or acidic to alkaline soils. They are native to Iowa, as well as most of the U.S. anywhere east of the Rocky Mountains and north into Canada. These can be extremely large trees, reaching anywhere from 125 to 150 feet in height and width. Where possible, they prefer deep, rich, moist soils and will achieve maximum height under those conditions. They do tolerate drier soils, but will often be slower growing. There is an extensive taproot to Juglans nigra, which can make these difficult to transplant. One characteristic ID feature is the chambered pith of the stem. Walnut wood is prized for use in woodworking, cabinetry, and other fine woodcraft. Juglans nigra often produce an allelopathic compound called juglin. This prevents other plants from growing under black walnut